Ampa. Uyebi. Our parliament. And sa parliament kroya. Audu moja. Atu ho. Emo chimai. And kasenchie. And mguasia. Amfata. Onyo gobi. Wogu. Ebani say no. Ochimai. Ye di anu. Ye nimni aye. Anunti. Akyem si entrance. Ye baba na so. Ye no abekasa. Ye di petition. Akoma. Shika. Nana uzeni. E frawa. Nani ya hwani. So nipa ko. Odie. Odo. Bi akoye. Ahombrasie. Adi bu aga na nti. Ompane bone. Nemom. Ye gunsa. Se tayachi. No ma chensan. Onfa chopa ma. Na se. Osi. Onfa chopa ma dia. Nananum. Yeshia ha. Then ye diem. Ye betu ya hofo. We are all here to show our concern to the Speaker of Parliament that somebody has brutally insulted our dear beloved Dr. J.B. Danquah upon all he had done for this nation. He doesn't deserve that. So we are here to pour libation on the tomb and send our petition to the Speaker by tomorrow. That's all.
What are you requesting from the Speaker?
For the person to withdraw what he said. That's all.
Eya wo musu di a o modu parliament sia me wi a ya was Ibrahim Hama ya di bi on yentie JB Danquah abusuafo no
in the Eastern region. We are here today to present a petition to the Right Honorable Speaker about a matter that the Honorable Member of Parliament for Tamale Central, Mutala Mohamed, raised or spoke against Dr. J.B. Danquah on the 4th of February 2025. The comments that he made about him, we found it distasteful and unsavory. So we have taken it upon ourselves. As a matter of fact, we are a coalition for youth development in Okyeman. But we came to present a petition to Parliament about the comment that he made. So that is the primary reason why we are here this morning. So if you would indulge me, I'll read the petition or part of the petition. If you okay, so I don't know whether I should start with the heading. So the Speaker of Parliament, Right Honorable Akyem of Kingsford Babin, State House Accra. Petition to the Right Honorable Speaker of Parliament, Akyem of Kingsford Babin, the matter of a commemorative statement delivered in honor of late Dr. Joseph Kwame Chitre Danquah on the 4th of February 2025, and the subsequent inaccurate and unfounded utterances by the Honorable Member for Tamale Central, Mutala Mohamed. The Right Honorable Speaker, with the highest regard for the authority of this House and the principle of parliamentary debate, we respectfully submit this petition regarding a matter of great concern that occurred exactly a month ago during proceedings on the 4th of February 2025. On that day, the Honorable Member for Abuakwa South, Dr. Akyem, in the lawful exercise of parliamentary duty, delivered a commemorative statement in honor of the late Dr. Joseph Kwame Danquah, an eminent statesman, scholar, pivotal figure in Ghana's constitutional development. In the course of those proceedings, the Honorable Mutala Mohamed, Member of Parliament for Tamale Central, in contributing to the discussion, made remarks that are now a matter of record, asserting that, quote, it is important to emphasize the point that he, J.B. Danquah, betrayed his state. Further to this, the Honorable Member reportedly referenced Martin Maridate, the state of Africa, alleging that Dr. Danquah was an operative of the United States Central Intelligence Agency, CIA, and received remuneration to act against the interests of Ghana. These statements, unsubstantiated and historically questionable, misrepresent the legacy of Dr. Danquah and risk perpetuating inaccuracies in the official records of Parliament. While we acknowledge and uphold the right of members of Parliament to free speech and debate within the confines of Article 115 of the 1992 Constitution, such privilege carries with a duty to ensure that parliamentary discourse is grounded in factual accuracy and historical integrity. Moreover, Article 160 of the Constitution provides for inquiry into any statement that upon prima facie examination warrants corrective measures in the interest of fairness and accuracy. In the light of foregoing, we respectfully petition this Honorable House to 1. Direct the remarks in question be expunged from the parliamentary records to ensure that the official proceedings of this esteemed institution remain an accurate and credible account of history. 2. Require the Honorable Mutala Mohamed, MP, to issue a formal and unequivocal apology on the floor of Parliament, retracting his statements and acknowledging this inaccuracy. This course of action is necessary to preserve the dignity of parliamentary discourse, uphold the integrity of historical truth, and reaffirm the responsibility of members of Parliament to engage in fact-based debate. We trust that this petition will receive the due consideration of this Honorable House. Respectfully submitted.
Right. So, where Abuakwa Abusuafo Yanana JB Danquah, the learned and the elite. You see, the unbeatable, the untouchable, the undefeated JB Danquah, Joseph Kwame Trichie Danquah, were one of the founding fathers of the country called Ghana. Na nenananumni, and Oma present a petition calling on Mutala Mohamed, say, Oba bebe china non fo kankan no de kan say JB Danquah a traitor na oye CIA agent at the Americans for no ne nana no JB Danquah nana no mi na mo hu wo mo ya ene wo ma pie sede zinato enso so ema ne nkrofo efiri ewe angulo state abase wo mo ntia se Rollins medra no said ye de na no saa ne so be ye enframa ne ball na no saa na ye na nye we nko a afa na champo abusuafo so ebe sorry afa na general free fa abusuafo beba ne nyina ne say speaker Babin nei wono ka wo ye speaker no oba ye no ne bias ene ne intenchia ene oba ye no wabegye agyinam say Rollins nko a na enipa enti Rollins de no ene hia no eno na ama aspake a huge controversy in the country, and today this is the beginning.
I saw you were busy, so can you just briefly tell me what's happening here today?
Let my brother address you.
Big man, what's happening here today?
Okay, so today we are here to submit a petition to the Right Honorable Speaker of Parliament, Mr. Babin, concerning the reckless comments the Honorable Mutala Mohamed made against the presence of Dr. JB Danquah. Okay.
People have read comments on social media and the sentiment that they are trying to equalize because the Muta caucus came here. They're also coming here to say they should help you get a person to your strike.
We believe that the comment that he made was reckless and derogatory and he needs to retract and apologize. That's why we are here. We are not comparing two issues here. And it's like comparing apple with oranges because we are here to identify the person who made that.
You are here to identify it?
No, we are. The parliament is here to identify
the person
who made.
Okay, sure, definitely.
Okay, so Safer now, I hide the reason show. We are here to have a critical analysis, logical reasoning. Yeah, penny, ya say, tente 38 to Yanum Sania Fabine. The Awushe, eye Abuakwa Okyeman yana na JB Danquah abusuafo na womo de a protest through Accra Parliament na womo presenting a protest, a petition to the speaker Abansumani Babin Parliament Mugabe na unim se enra wo hu mehu ade bi unim se independence no mkodi ye no hwe omo ye a brochure ana a booklet bi epia bonten Jack Mahama wafa Kufuado ho adwena. I'm telling you hwe book ye da hai Ghana at 68 now dey hwe na hwe se uhu Kufuado wo mu ana omo ye no book na chi no ukobie book na chi ase ye pekwa bi na ye Kufuado di afri book num enso ka wo hwe anka ye Kwame Nkrumah JJ and Akufo and Atames just are the republics. The original line in what they see you, what they Yaya editing no dia here. Now, book no no. What they book no. Omo Akufuado, omo de na ko share chire baby no wa. Ewurade. And so here the open book no as I want say Rollins book no inside no. Rollins, Kufuor, Mills and then Mahama. Mpacho Mahama ni Akufuado sanka ye pobi anka sanka so ko ba beka we hu ana sanka obeka but wo me de na koto akire obeka omeka so we publication mistakes ne wo de hwade wa ha sei yanku ye na wo de hwade wa ha sei eti wo biebie book nu ma enwum bi wo mi ntina me mbo no wo biebie book nu ma na oba omo wie no ena omo de eba akira sei omo de unua ne be she akira ba bi ena omo de ba be she akira kona ba bi wo he ena afi no mbe twere omde Akufuado be share kona ba bi wa ha sei etu we no on say a strategy we ye be wipe history na to atwene ye be to atwene wo mo to history na to atwene so mo du ho agro so ho ena omde Akufuado be share kona bi wo be jiso bie mu a wo bie be 1 2 3 4 na omde Akufuado be share kona bi ena omde Mahama be twa to ho adwuma hyehye ukofo we mu no ye so mo du ho agro ho we o meka jo say printing mistake na hwan eno mo de ba be share hwa so ho chese ngofo we mu ne de Akufuado no na ni startokrasi ngobungu na de bi enwum bi da mu ntina me pese bebo so ho eti uhwe book ya no mo ye for independence na eno nkwa aka bibi kire wo nti ye nuanom achemfo no wo ma fo mo adwe hwe ba bia mo de Akufuado ko share but ko the page na anim hwe page na anim ohe page na otimi hu bibia kama but senka ye hwe republics no so de anka be hu bibia wa ha sei eti in fact interesting pa say Akufuado ene ninua na asefo no in fact CPP say kwa CPP NDC wo mo nem wasempa wo mo nem wasembo no party wo benya nanka Ghana history no kwa ke ntontwene wo mo pese be sua history no but ye kuye nim no ye be use ya ansu ye means bi na ya fish in ni ahwe say obi interest ne say or distort history the among the young generation ye ntiase ye nyine be sua de no ye be sua won ntiase a obu eti Mr. share video na na ya no ho na ye maame no ne kasa kintakita wi ayere na ne kasa ye no obi chebelam tabusu ya busu ya ne ne kasa in fact wa kan sim bebri ye benya poten ye sequence maame ne be di nkomo ye wo hwe otan a wo ka se ye nuanom ewefo ni bi ni some part of Ganfo ni bi wono a enye bibia ntia ye just Nkrumah and Rollins abishim me kan sase mu enra say our first chapter of hatred and jealousy bruni na ye we in the second chapter ni ye Kwame Nkrumah the third chapter of hatred and jealousy and greediness Rollins and at the fourth chapter Mahama and NDC for and omo yes ade I had the reason so now free one yemra na me nkyere wade na ode esedun ketiase o cheche ma general so watch am
distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, we shall now have GH by Lieutenant Colonel Mohamed. Your Excellency, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, we shall now have GH by Lieutenant Colonel. Your Excellency, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, we shall now have GH by Lieutenant Colonel Mohamed, the Chief.
abue media ma babule ni abue media ma pelega ni abue ayara klama ni abue ange ni abue eni abue muibua ni abue media ma klama ni abue angeni abue eni abua muibua
ene munya hu ye ka kire mu ye beto aba me betena ha ya ye ka kire se ne abue ne nya abue ye kan mu antie mu kofa NDC ba e Ghana problem sa na mu be nyane no so NDC mu de ba Ghana problem na mu nyane no e propaganda tribal politics division tactics ye ka kire mu na mu antie on the making ye kan na mwantio enti ne aboe ne nya ne aboe eyesa enti the next president and work on general the mosquito ay mosquito no the next president mudi am ye kan baka se yedi agro next president one ekono general the mosquito they say or prepare grounds for the next obe succeed Mahama yes general mosquito chairman eurade now yan hwade ye wa ha sei if you Senegal, what's it? If you Senegal, what's it?
Well, let me sit here and tell you, Rollins is a murderer. If you kill somebody, you are a murderer. Rollins killed more than one. Rollins is a super murderer. In fact, Rollins is a serial killer. Nenja before no mo soon our parliament, no mo say soon no. E ko soon atina rave na. Ensure na e fa wo mo kuro no, e ya wo mo. Nemo JJ na enim so ku we champion no ne abaka so emeda ene hia omo oh mother kuku efo ebe luka ensena montia na me kaseti amayana you know some time ago I was your in-law but what you did yesterday was so childish and so dramatic. Do you think we care? Demonstration, you are not JB Danquah and I'm so about demonstration. Do you fucking think we care? Huh? You should have used this. In fact, Mutu Hono, now because Mutu Parliament today, and Saketa issue, and I come with this soup, no, Mukosu said, somebody spoke the truth. Somebody who killed innocent people to gain power. You want us to call him what? Amateur? Rollins is a serial killer. That is who he is. He's a serial killer.
Right, so if you're Senegal, was Rollins one day on crowd was a serial killer. Just will be our bopa kunkumunipa ano de inti Zenato. Afe na wobete wasumo. Mame, oba fefe. I say no say person obeba Sante Kingdom no mu o dwane ba wo ye de so tie afa na wo beti wasum chanchan o wo de wo say wo eseka wo tu nkrofo no say mam nsoso afa na wo beti say the real feeling mo beti punch lines o na Mohamed Dinkomo bi wa ha me do be call voter region ansa na de wo de tie asem wo ha say tie ha tie we
say NDC to say ordinary people's party and an MPP a lawyer for near there. I say NDC to say ordinary people's party and an MPP a lawyer for near there.
Right. Picture ya wushi. Udefeni yo. Voter Regional Minister James Guno spends the night in the open communities affected by the recent tender waves in Agwavaji. Obi a we minister wo wa bem still office wo campaign platform